Now it's time for Art Alive on Noggin.
Oh, Elmo has a friend, Tyler, and he opened and closed lots of things when he made a picture, and Tyler told Elmo all about it. Wanna watch, Drew? Okay.
When I made a picture in school, I had to open and close a lot of things. First, I opened a marker so I could draw. Then when I finished drawing, I closed it. Then I wanted to paint, so I opened a jar of blue paint. So I have to turn the top, then take it off. After I painted, I closed the jar. Then I opened the glue. You have to twist the top, then pull it off. You have to be careful with glue. It's sticky. I used the glue because I wanted to put glitter on my picture. I closed the glue when I was finished with it. Then I opened the bottle of glitter and turn the top until you see the holes. Then I closed it. Scissors open and close too. My teacher helped me cut the paper. Then I was done. I really like my picture.